Hello everyone, this is Gavin with TrueDoor Property Management again, here today to present to you 720 Spring Garden in Irvine, California. It is a 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom townhome that is located in a quiet, family-friendly community in the Great Park area that does have access to various amenities, including a park, a pool, a jacuzzi, a clubhouse, as well as a barbecue. You do have a lovely front patio area, which you could utilize some outdoor seating and enjoy the fresh air. We'll go ahead and step inside and show you what this property has to offer. So as you step inside, you are greeted by the kitchen, which is equipped with top-of-the-line appliances, including a stainless steel refrigerator, microwave, stove, and oven, as well as a microwave. It does feature elegant white hardwood cabinetry with stunning countertops, as well as a nice floating island. As you can see, there's lots of cabinet space as well. This property does have a nice open layout. So you have the living space just over there. Perfect for family movie nights or entertaining any friends or family and just simply unwinding. Give you some additional angles here of a fabulous kitchen. Nice big sink as well. We have the living room. And this unit does have very tall ceilings as well, giving it a nice open feel, open and spacious. There is a sliding glass door as well that leads out to that front patio area that we checked out. And we are going to have the guest bathroom right over here, featuring a large single vanity, as well as a standing shower, walk-in shower. And this unit does have a washer and dryer in unit as well for your convenience. Then the guest bedroom, very generously sized. We do have this attractive flooring all throughout the house, including the bedrooms. We got nice tall ceilings here in the bedroom. It does feature a very spacious closet with the built-in organizers, so plenty of room for your entire wardrobe. Has a nice large window as well, allowing lots of natural light to enter the room. This property is going to come with an attached 2-car garage, which we will check out now. So nice big spacious garage, perfect for your vehicle storage. There's even is an electric car charger, the Tesla charger there, as well as some storage space. And last but not least, we will check out the primary bedroom, the primary suite. We're gonna have the ensuite bathroom here that is attached to the bedroom. It's a nice big vanity with the 2 sinks, perfect for your morning routine. Get the toilet right over there, and then we're gonna have a lovely walk-in shower, as well as a walk-in closet with the built-in organizers, so plenty of room for all your storage needs. And then the bedroom Very nicely sized. Again, has this beautiful flooring, as well as the nice tall ceilings. Large window, allowing lots of natural light to fill the space. But I think that's gonna wrap it up for us here at 720 Spring Garden in Irvine, California. It is a 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom townhome that is located in a quiet, family-friendly community in the Great Park area that does have access to various amenities, including a community pool, jacuzzi, clubhouse, park, and barbecue. It is 1,067 square feet. It does feature top-of-line appliances, including a refrigerator, dishwasher, stove and oven, microwave, as well as in-unit washer and dryer. You definitely do not want to miss out on this one. If you are interested, you can visit our website at www.TrueDoorPM.com in order to schedule a showing or submit an application. Thank you so much, everyone.